Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove rotoscope filter on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, open your TikTok account. Tap the plus button on the bottom of the screen. Let's assume you are recording video with a rotoscope filter. Click on the effects icon located beside the record button. Tap the none icon to cancel the rotoscope filter. You can also choose any other effects. But you can't cancel this effect from someone else's video. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.